So here's an old Cletrac. I think it's called a DLH or DHL model. It's in about 1939, the Hercules diesel. Little winch on it. And apparently these worked on these model machines did a lot of work on the Alaska Highway way back when. And surprisingly for their size, they have a 6-cylinder in them. Even later stuff, decades later, the John Deere 350s and 450s only had 4 cylinders in them. So 6 cylinders, a lot of oomph for a little machine. And one thing I'm not too sure of is the pads all have a secondary grouser pad put on them. So I don't know why you'd want a flat bar application, but you could run it with flat pads or bolt on the grousers.